Lepakshi Temple is a famous temple located in the town of Lepakshi in the Anantapur district of Andhra Pradesh, India. This temple, dedicated to Lord Veerbhadra, is known for its exquisite architecture and intricate sculptures. It was built in the 16th century during the reign of the Vijayanagar Empire. The temple is renowned for its hanging pillar, which is one of its most unique features. There are 70 intricately carved stone pillars in the temple complex, and one of them appears to be hanging without any support. The temple is also adorned with stunning depictions of mythological stories, gods, goddesses, and other intricate carvings. Lepakshi Temple is not only a religious site but also a significant historical and architectural marvel, attracting tourists, historians, and art enthusiasts from around the world. It reflects the rich cultural heritage of the Vijayanagar Empire and showcases the brilliance of ancient Indian architecture.
The history of Lepakshi Temple. It is closely tied to the Vijayanagar Empire, one of the most powerful and influential empires in South India during the 14th to 16th centuries. The temple was built during the 16th century, and here's a brief overview of its history. Foundation. Lepakshi Temple is believed to have been built in 1583 by two brothers, Virupanna and Veeranna, who were prominent and wealthy officials in the Vijayanagar court during the reign of King Achyutaraya. The temple is dedicated to Lord Veerbhadra, an avatar of Lord Shiva. Legend. The name Lepakshi has a legendary origin. According to local folklore, the temple derives its name from the incident where Lord Shiva saved a bird from being trapped by a hunter. The name Lepakshi means arise, bird in the local language, which is said to be what Lord Shiva uttered. Architecture. Lepakshi Temple is celebrated for its stunning architecture and intricate carvings. It follows the traditional Dravidian style of temple architecture, which is characterized by tall gopurams, entrance towers, pillared halls, and detailed sculptures. Hanging pillar. The temple's most famous feature is the hanging pillar in one of the halls. This pillar appears to be unsupported, as it doesn't touch the ground, and it's a testament to the exceptional craftsmanship of the artisans who built the temple. Vijayanagar Empire. During the reign of King Achyutaraya, the Vijayanagar Empire was at its zenith, and this temple is believed to have been constructed with royal patronage. The architecture and sculptures of Lepakshi Temple are indicative of the grandeur and artistic achievements of the Vijayanagar period. Historical significance. Apart from its religious importance, the temple has historical significance due to the inscriptions and carvings that depict scenes from the period. These inscriptions provide valuable insights into the social, political, and cultural life of that time. Over the centuries, Lepakshi Temple has undergone renovations and restorations, but it still retains its historical and architectural significance. It continues to attract pilgrims and tourists who are captivated by its unique design, stunning sculptures, and the historical charm it represents.
Pachi. Greeting Salvo, that is Pachi. Pachi.
Illodu Chikku. Chikku.
ಇನ್ನು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಬಾನು ಬಾರ ಚಿಕ್ಕು ಮೋರ್ಯ ಮೋರ್ಯ ಮಂಗಳ ಮೂರ್ತಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ
ಇಡೀ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ ಚೇಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ ಆದರೆ ನಾವು ಮೂವಿ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಇನ್ನು ಎರಡು ಕಚ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡದು
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು ಚಿಕ್ಕು
ವಿಗ್ರಹ ಇಲ್ಲ
ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ಕೊಡು ಜೇಬಲ್ಲಿ
We are climbing Jatayu statue. We are climbing the stairs to see Jatayu statue.